This is 2 tubs, an integrated ozone system for fruits and vegetable washing.
The first tub is a bubble washer. A powerful blower cleans surface dirt using high agitation. The second tub is connected to an integrated ozone system. Here we will see the demonstration of the ozone vegetable cleaning steps. Vegetables from the farm are first unloaded in the first tub, where surface dirt and soil are cleaned using a bubble washer. User can set the operational panel for auto or manual mode. Once the preset washing time is over, the commodity is automatically lifted and transferred to the second tub. For root vegetables, we have 3 tub washer. Please check the link for 3 tub washer. This is an important stage of the cleaning, where the water is enriched with ozone to sanitize the commodity, and at the same time the surface pesticide is also oxidized. Finally, the second tub is lifted after a preset time, and the commodity can be collected in a bin. Each batch can be of 20 to 25 kg and takes around 5 to 6 minutes, depending on the type and the condition of the commodity. This system can clean 200 to 300 kilograms per hour, which is 2 tons per 8-hour shift. 2-tub ozone cleaning system needs around 8 to 10 square meters of floor space and 1 kilowatts of power per hour. This is the piping arrangement for the bubble washing blower and the ozone circulation. Please contact the Chemtronics expert team on 932-123-4527 for help, or mail us on solution@chemtronicsindia.com.